Let me start this video by saying I honestly don't know if I should feel bad about not having a mentor or if the universe is just busy turning me into one. Because tell me why I'm halfway through this course and it suddenly doesn't feel right anymore. I was so ready to show you everything I learned. Privilege Identity Management was the first module. I took notes. I even hit record to document my journey until I realized I wasn't learning. I was just surviving and watching videos on autopilot. It's one reason I'm learning in public because it just has a way of exposing your own lie that you may not even notice. I mean, they didn't look hard, but then I couldn't prove it. Not because the courses were bad, but because the way it was structured wasn't working for me. I realized I was passively consuming the contents, not practicing, just letting it play like background noise and deceiving myself too. And you know what I did? I opened ChatGPT, typed out the prompt, not even expecting much. This one prompt led me to something I didn't even plan on finding. Free Udemy courses I didn't even know existed. Listen, don't blame me. We all discover things differently. But the point is, at least now we know. So this was the prompt I imputed in ChatGPT. Act like a world-class accelerated learning coach with expertise in cybersecurity and high-performance training. Your goal is to act like a mentor with over a decade of experience in cloud security to help me perform better and stand out. I'm currently taking a course on Azure Security Technologies by Nick Koya because of my cloud security journey. But it is hard for me to follow along because of the UI change, and for some reasons, I don't feel satisfied with the learning strategy. I have taken the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals by Scott Duffy, still in Udemy. With your years of experience, which exposes you to knowing the best tutor for my learning journey, recommend another person in Udemy that will do a better job in teaching me. Now, the thing is, the old chat actually wiped because the results that I got yesterday was not the result that I got today, but I remember it like I remember my name. So today's results actually are somewhat similar to yesterday's. So we have John Christopher and this Indian guy, which I don't want to attempt pronouncing his name. I also imputed this prompt on a friend's ChatGPT and I also got a different result, but I streamlined it. I was able to narrow it down to three people. So I was able to narrow it down to three people. And those three people are John Christopher, which has about 6,650 students and 1,037 ratings. And it's a good rating, by the way. The second person is this Indian guy with a total of 456 students, 4.9 rating, highest rated. And thirdly, this guy right here, Alan Rodriguez, 4.6 rating, not bad. 59,621 students, 9,280 ratings, not bad. But the roadmap that was generated alongside the search results that I got for yesterday's search that wiped, by the way, was that I started with this guy here, John Seville, on YouTube to get a more friendlier approach to understanding, Azure security as a whole. which is just about 3 hours. Yeah. Then I followed through with this guy here, which is free, by the way, and I'll be showing you how I got access to this free course. Azure Security Real World Hands On for Beginners, Ryan O'Connell. This was the guy that I was supposed to do next. And then I will not see the last person that was also recommended by ChatGPT for my yesterday's research. I'm going to leave that to you. So, to my lovely people, or to my lovely viewers, or to my lovely family community, which of these three would you want me to do? Do you want me to do John Christopher? I mean, after the YouTube and the Udemy free course, which isn't much, by the way. This isn't much, by the way. I just started and I was already 9%, you know, into it. This should take about not even up to 10 hours. This is about 8 to 9 hours. So, should I do, after I take this guy and I take this guy, should I do John Christopher, this Indian guy, or this Mexican guy? I'm leaving it to you guys to do justice to it on the comment section. Remember that we are learning together. It's not just about my journey. And before I end this, sharing of my screen, I want to show you guys how I was able to get free courses. Simply just go to the search bar here and type any course at all. So I'm going to be typing, let's say, cloud security here, right here. Now, there are many results. Udemy is heavy on paid, paid courses. So the chances that you would see a free course in even your first 10 researches is highly slim. But you come over to this site, this session here, all filters. When you click on this, simply just scroll down. Okay. You will see paid and you'd also see free. When you click on this free and come here, guess what? You have free courses on cloud security. This is free, this is free, this is free with good ratings too. So meaning that there are people, this format has been hidden. Meaning that there are people that know about this, or let's just say I don't know. This is about 4.7 rating, 4.5, 4.6. When you scroll all the way down, you'd also see more free courses. And that was when I found that free course that I'll be taking after the YouTube's video. So on the next episode, I'll be giving you a review and also what I eventually chose in the 3 courses that I showed you guys earlier. So I'll be giving you guys a review on what I learned from the YouTube and the free course on Udemy. I would say I had a small light bulb moment. Maybe this journey isn't just about completing courses and landing a role. Maybe it's about documenting what works and what doesn't. See, on days I feel stuck or tired, I still show up because maybe somebody watching this might be inspired to start learning something, even if it's not cloud security. So, no, I don't have a mentor right now, but maybe, just maybe, my journey can mentor someone else. And that's a reason enough to keep going, to keep learning, and to keep sharing. So if you're also halfway through something and thinking, I'm lost, you're not behind. You're just redirecting. And this space is for people like us. Drop a comment if you've ever faked your way through a lesson. Let's make this place where progress isn't quiet, it's documented. Next episode, I'll show you how I actually started applying the concepts for real this time. Subscribe.